Hello, welcome back. I'm going to give you a quick tour of Piskel. That is a free online software that we use to create animations. So you can see it's at piskelapp.com. One reason I like to use this website is you don't have to log in. If you guys want to create an account like I did here, you just have to ask for your parents' permission first. You do not need to create an account for this class. So you can just click on Create Sprite when you get started. However, I'm going to click on my gallery just to show you something that I made. All right, so here you can see that since I saved it online, I can clone it or delete it, which is very handy. I'm going to click on Edit so we can see how the software works. All right, so on the upper right, you see my animation looping at 12 frames per second. You can change the speed here. And this is a handy tool called onion skinning. We'll talk more about that later. You can see that it creates a grayed shadow that shows information from the next slide. I'll turn that off for now. Okay, so we can see that this drawing in frame number 1, it gets modified just a little bit as we go to frame number 2. And this animation is really just a series of 7 pictures that play in a loop. So after 5, 6, 7, it's set up so that it looks natural when it goes back to 1 here. I have the eyelids go down and then back up a little bit and move the eyes and the mouth. Okay. I just want to show you where a couple things are, and then we'll move on. This is where you change the size. There's a paint bucket tool for filling in. This is really important. Look, it tells you the keyboard shortcut. So if I'm drawing here with the pen tool and I switch to B, then it switches to the paint bucket. There's a couple tools here like the color picker that are really good to know the keyboard shortcut. I switch between O and P, the color picker, and the pen a lot. I'm going to hit Control Z, Z, Z to undo that. All right, last thing I'm going to show you is where we're going to export. This is what you'll click when you want to make your file into an animated GIF. And last thing is resize. You're going to use this